Cottonwood is asking us to reconnect with the ancient wisdom teachings based in nature and to remember that we all belong to each other.
Cottonwood trees hold a special significance, often symbolizing hope, transformation, and a connection to the spiritual realm. They are particularly sacred and connected to the stars, the sun, and the bridge between earth and the sky.
Hey, good morning. We are walking beside the stream. It's a blessing between these amazing trees. And I don't know if you see the stream. But enjoy, because every tree has a lot to share with the humankind. Not only the breeze, not only a hug. A tree means a lot. So see, a tree is not only a tree. It's as well the energy that the tree represents. Every tree is different, not only because they are different, it's because the energy that they represent is unique. Like the humans, every human has its own energy. Beautiful. Cottonwood. To understand this energy is amazing. But to feel this energy is a blessing. Kyo yachnaya soya, mokoi echnaya so, hoi ohaya, hoi ohaya.